To set alarm clock on Redmi Note 14 Pro, just start by opening your clock application and you'll have to click on alarm. As you can see right here, as default, we can already find some presets, so we can try to use one of them. And if you want to change time, just swipe up and down like this. By going to the additional settings, you can also change a ringtone if you want. There we go. You can accept all of these permissions. You can set repeat once daily from Monday to Friday, or custom. Let's say that I want to get this alarm on Saturday, Wednesday and Monday. Click OK to confirm, then go back, and here you can additionally turn on and off vibrations, and you can even add label. There we go. Click on the right upper corner to confirm, and now by clicking on this switcher, you can simply turn it on and off, and once you actually turn it on, you will also get notification for the time when the alarm will turn on.